Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we will see how to change the cart icon of the Shopify Dawn theme. So let's jump to our development store. We are on the dashboard of our store. Let's navigate to online store. You can see I have installed Dawn theme on my store. The current version of the Dawn theme is 15.1.0. So the process I will show you today will work on this version and other future versions. To change the cart icon, first we need to edit the theme code. Let's click on the three dots button, and from there let's click edit code. Here you can see we have multiple folders in the Shopify Dawn theme folder structure. First we need to go to the sections folder, and from here we will open the header.liquid file. Let's double click on this file and we need to search, and for search we need to press Ctrl F, and here we will write icon-cart. Here you can see we have two cart icons that is loading on our website. One is for the empty cart and this one is for when we add products on our cart. So these two icons are rendering, loading from this part of the header file, header.liquid, and another file we need to edit is cart icon-bubble. Here you can see we have the same icon reference in this file. Now I need to download a SVG icon. To download a free SVG icon, I can use svgdepot.com, and I can also use iconfinder.com. In this video, I will use iconfinder.com. Here on the search bar, I will write cart and press enter. And let's filter by free. The design style of the Dawn theme matches with this icon, so I will select this one and let's click on SVG, and from there let's click on the download button. The file has been downloaded. Now I will go to edit.svgcode.com and I will upload my recently downloaded file. On this website we can edit the SVG code, and I will remove this XML tag, and I will also remove the height and width. You may download a different SVG file and the code can be different on that file. I will make another change in this file. Let's go to the end of the code. Here you can see we have a stroke width of 8. I will increase that stroke to 10. So let's copy it, Ctrl C, and then I will press Ctrl F for the search bar. Here I will paste stroke width 8. You can see we have this code in 4 places. So we will replace this code to 10. And let's click on this icon. It will replace on all places. So this has been replaced, and you can see we have a color given to this SVG file. I will also replace this one. Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl F. So we have this color code in 4 places. I will give it as current color, C with the capital C, and let's replace it. The code has been replaced. Now let's select this code and let's jump back to our website dashboard. On the Dawn theme folder structure, you can see we have a assets folder. Let's open it. Add a new asset. create a blank file. Let's choose it, and from there the extension should be SVG. Now you can name your file in any way. I will name it as icon-cart-new. Shopify named its all icons as starting with icon. So I am following the same pattern here. Let's click on done. A new file has been created on our assets folder. Let's paste the code and save. Oh, I need to do one more thing. Let's find out the default cart icon-cart.svg, and you can also see icon-cart-empty.svg. So let's open this file, and here you can see Shopify has added class. So I will also copy this and paste it on my file. You have to do it carefully. We need to paste it in the SVG tag. So let's paste it over here, and I want to rename this class as icon-cart-new. So it's my own class. Let's save, and now I will add the new SVG icon to my header file. Now let's click on Ctrl F and select icon cart here and click on next. Here I will change the name as new, and I will also add new over here. The name is the same as my file name, icon-cart-new.svg. Let's save. Ignore this red message, and let's open our website, my development store. Here you can see the new cart icon is showing. This icon is bigger in size comparing to other icons, so we need to fix this. Let's click on Ctrl-Shift-C in our keyboard, and this inspect element tab will open. From here we will select this arrow icon. It will be blue when selected, and let's select this icon. You can see this is the CSS class of this icon. So let's click on this and click copy selector. Now let's go back to our website dashboard, and from there we need to find out base.css file. Base.css file, let's double click it, and we need to go to the very end of this file and paste the selector, Ctrl V, and then the parenthesis. Now I will remove this part, and I will copy my own class on the icon cart new file. Remember, I created this class for CSS. So I will copy this, Ctrl C, and now paste it over here. The width should be 2.4 rem, semicolon, and the height should be auto, semicolon, and let's save. Now refresh the page. You can see now the icon matches with other icons. Now if we add products to our store, here you can see we have the old icon. So we need to replace our file on cart icon dash bubble.liquid. Here we also need to make the changes. We need to add our new SVG icon dash cart dash new. Let's edit, and now let's save change. Now if we refresh, you can see now the icon is same in all places. If we remove items from the cart, the icon is loading properly. So this is how you can change the SVG icon on your Shopify Dawn theme website. If you find the video useful, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.